Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a dinner dish, or it could be a lunch dish or a brunch dish, or it could be for breakfast. We are making peanut butter ramen. That's right, that ramen which you have somewhere in your pantry, we're going to use it. And we're going to add some more protein to it, so actually it's kind of nutritious. This recipe is ridiculously fast and easy, and we're even going to make it in the microwave. Sometimes you just have no idea what to make for dinner, and this is a great substitute. Of course, I was inspired by this song. Day by day, oh dear Lord, what's for dinner today? I don't know. Isn't that always the question? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? This is for dinner. In a large microwave-safe bowl, add your vegetable stock. Could be chicken stock, could be beef broth, whatever your choice is. Add in your soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder, sweet chili sauce. Whisk together. Add your broth to the microwave for 2 minutes. Once your broth is nice and hot and steaming, go ahead and add your peanut butter in. Whisk in. If you're adding scallions, now's the time to add them in. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm not doing that. Add your ramen to your bowl. You want this to be fully coated, so we're gonna turn it over a few times here. Add back in the microwave for 1 more minute. Go ahead and flip your ramen. I can see it's softening up already. Flip it over. We're gonna microwave for 1 more minute. Let the noodles sit in the broth for a few more minutes. Feel free to cover this as well. The broth will thicken up. Stir until the noodles have fully separated, and you can see that they are already separating as is. It is looking much thicker. It's looking great. You can see that a lot of the sauce has been soaked up. Excellent. Sprinkle with some sesame seeds. All right, this peanut butter ramen looks great, and that broth definitely thickened up. And this was just so easy to make in the microwave. I mean, come on, what's for dinner? This is for dinner. But it's all in the taste, so let's give this a bite. Let's see if I can do this with the chopsticks. You know when you go to a Chinese restaurant and you order the cold noodles, which are those noodles with the peanut butter sauce on them? This tastes like a lighter version of it. It's not as thickly coated as the ones that you would typically get in a Chinese restaurant, but this is delicious. And again, I love the fact that you're getting extra protein in it with the peanut butter in it. And it's got so much flavor between the soy sauce and the sweet chili sauce. This is great. It's just great. It's easy. Again, extra protein. What's not to like? If I can make peanut butter ramen for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.